Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market imports. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting. This will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of imports, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. The next product I want to talk about is oil products. Oil product. Oil product. Majority of these oil products are from plant oil products. Oil product. What are the oil products? $7.009 billion, about $7.1 billion is used to import different kinds of oil products. 12.8% of the oil product is stearic acid. These are vegetable oil products. Stearic acid. Inedible fat and oil, 12.7%. Seed oil like sesame seed. Seed oil like groundnut oil, 11.7%. Coconut oil, 10.5%. Palm oil, 9.92%. Rapeseed oil, 9.77%. Margarine, 7.32%. Pure olive oil, 6.17%. Other pure vegetable oil, 4.42%. And this country imports soybeans oil, 3.53%. Glycerol, 3.02%. Pig and poultry fat. These are different oil products, but it also imports animal. Pig and poultry fat, 1.17%. Fish oil, 0.8%. Vegetable waxes and beeswax, 0.84%. Glycerol, 3.02%. So you see this country is spending about $7.1 billion. The German government is spending $7.1 billion to import different kinds and different types of of oil products into Germany. Just oil. You're looking for a market to export your oil product? I think you should consider the German market. I think you consider the German market, because German market is importing 7.1 billion of various oil products.